Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX TechChat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. Today, let's take a few moments to talk about reCool. reCool is an innovative way to take a non-coolant through live head or static tool and make it coolant through. The reCool nut acts as a coolant inducer. It allows you to take your existing coolant lines and bring that coolant into the nut itself. All reCool nuts utilize the standard REGO-FIX sealing disc systems, whether they be the sealing disc themselves or whether they be the coolant flush options. Easy application on those. The Rotary style are made to rotate up to 12,000 RPMs depending on the ER series you are using, and they are available in ER11 through ER40 options. The static style are available in ER16 and ER20 sizes, and they also utilize the REGO-FIX sealing disc systems. The static type do have a safety feature built into them, and that is the MX style nut profile, where the wrench positively engages onto the nut, keeping the operator from slipping off and hurting themselves during a tool change. The Rotary style likewise have a built-in safety feature when it comes to the nut. They utilize the AX profile nut and wrench, and these also lock in with a dovetail style lock, keeping the operator from slipping off during the tightening or loosening process. Each reCool kit comes included with the reCool nut that you've selected. It comes with a hose and hose protector and 2 right angle fittings and 2 straight push-in fittings. These are also available as spare parts, and other fitting types are available as well. If you have a ball style connection or a press style connection, please contact your local REGO-FIX distributor or sales rep to get more information. For higher pressure applications, when we get above 1,000 PSI, we definitely would recommend the braided hose option. The braided hose will replace the entire kit that comes with it, and this is good for up over 2,000 PSI. Basic things to keep in mind when we're talking about the reCool system: you do need to maintain your coolant filtration at 20 microns, and the new reCool units are made to come apart for easy cleaning. Thank you for the time you've provided us today. If you have any questions, please contact your local REGO-FIX distributor or your local REGO-FIX representative. Again, my name is David McHenry. Thank you for joining us.